Man can't them ever this, brother. Like a moonfish.
Boy.
And flatfish.
Boy. All that wanna be. All that wanna be. Flatty. How you do that one, Claire?
As soon as you let me lie.
Are you that?
Leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Leverage, are the leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. And today from the scene in the description, fishing it say. What I want to say, fishing?
Outside, man, you know what you go.
You know leverage right now. We are going to the bait shop to catch some. Our kind of?
Live stream.
Okay, live shrimp bait.
You get the bucket. You see how you that dog. Get the bucket. But now,
yeah, so Leverage Nation, welcome back. I don't know say today. A day in the beach where I go see fishing, you know. Going to a fishing place right now.
alright, let me get 4 then. 4, that's it. Yeah, my brother's gonna go with it. No worries. Let me see what else you guys have. Last time we lose my rule line, brother, I'm up on the guy. Dominic, I'm getting back here a bigger boat. 4 doesn't make it to me, so I probably need a bigger boat.
Tell them where I look for now.
Look on this.
What that?
High speed jigging with deep water. So you just drop it way down and then you jig up fast.
Where you call jig up what?
Persons who fish, you understand.
Leverage Nation no fish. So I don't know.
You basically snap the line while you come up off of the sea floor. And the faster speed, the faster the speed be, the better chance of you catching better fish like amateur, because them come from under the reef and then them just attack it and pull back down. So you have to have tight drag as well, so them pull you under the reef and cut you off because them strong and big.
Okay. Okay. So that's a leverage nation, you know? In the store. What's this over here? Oh, these are the shrimp? So what you guys do? Like catch them and put them in here? And... Oh, okay. Yeah, Leverage Nation. So we're out here. Stop at the fishing place real quick. And then on the way, we'll go up on the beach with the fishing, you see it? Yeah, that's a leverage.
No, we don't care the usual sex traps.
This year, I can say I can get that many. Yeah? This year, I can get 8 man.
So, you're catching a bait already?
No, just said to me, wait.
Oh.
Look like a brain now, bro.
Are they side? What on the gun high tech man? Oh, I this?
Yeah. You can see them.
So how this here?
You keep them alive.
Oh,
Yeah.
alright, let's go. Yeah, Leverage Nation, so check in and watch where I go. I know where I go on the road right now.
King Mackerel.
Right now, the next signal at front on Boulevard. We are going that way there. Data leverage. Your leverage nation, so we are Dania Beach Pier, you know? And so it go on, we save them and catch nothing. They are fully equipped. You see, pray. Yeah man, so we are walking going on Pier right now and see where I go on. I don't know, see a whole heap of people there on the beach. So check out and see where I go on, man. See what we can catch, you know? Yeah man, we are walk. Go down. See the place here.
Yeah, I'm a shy friend. There, I look like a rich friend. I say, look like get your rich friend. Yeah, man, I close the boy. I want it.
So yeah, they right there, so.
Pay to go on the pier. Fishing $3 per person, spectator $2. 3, 6, 9, 11.
Spectator.
Fishing for 3 and 1 spectator.
Hey, what are you?
Fisherman. Fisher is up there. Get on a one band, Dominic.
That's how I'm going to die after this. I'm very easy to life.
Guess I'm going to be the spectator. Alright, that is it. Alright. Good man.
cameraman, you know.
Yeah?
First thing you have to do is drop that phone.
The jack man just jump in, waterproof. Yeah, so Leverage Nation, we walk down the pier, you know, see the wonderful beach, Dania Beach, you know. We'll walk down to the end, so check in and see where I go, and that's it, that's a Leverage. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. You know the leverage. Alright,
It's only like 5 left.
Leverage Nation, you see that man in the water, I'm a snorkel. Now come up there now, watch it. Yeah, reach right to say, is it? Try people in there. Dania Beach.
Just jump out the other boat. Take out the other boat.
Holy Jesus.
We are set up here now.
Yeah, I put in the extension line.
Line, them already set up everything now. Don't fuck up enough. I just slow it out there. Watch that, first one gone. First one gone, see there? He's stuck in between, you can hold him. Look, see there?
Live.
Yeah, man.
Live and direct. Show you how move them.
Why we out there with them, you say they need it out.
We come out there. So, shrimp have one ball spot in their head. We're not organ there. Right there, so. So you want to get the hook behind the eyes like that. And through the head like that. Better if you go smaller hook, but regardless, look, you see? Still alive and kicking. And him now go dead now in the water, him going to move up and down. And fish. Squid probably got a live shrimp and dead shrimp.
What that?
Squid.
Squid for bait.
Yeah.
Alright.
Drop close to the pillar, I'm so I can catch.
That man it look like a real fisherman. Like I may put it on the thumbnail, you know.
Yo, man, see fish, you know? Yeah, man, them go up on your line, they're free. On your bait, they're free. See fish them right there. See fish, man. Man can't them ever they say brother.
I wish fine. Yeah.
We over now, man. I get bites now. I get bites and things, man. Man, look, see shrimp that we drop from me. You see him? I saw him on the top of the water. Oh. I get nibbles still. Well, see there, first one, there's when I get nibble.
First one gone.
Yeah, gone. So, I mean, I get bites, so we know so them out there. You know, so them on the hand, them on the bite. When they? Yo, give me one lead and me boss in here. Give me one piece of weight and me. Drop in the
Not up.
no, no, wait. Huh? Give me one weight and me.
There's some big one in this one. Go on, kill him a deal.
Not it. Oh, which one are you like? One with this one?
Let's still out in the water.
Oh, a female come up. What do you think? You think you caught a fish? What do you think? What do you think?
I never think me get no fish because I see it.
What do you say?
I see it, so
Alright.
they come in.
How far line this right? So I'm on
Aggressive bite. Just get the aggressive bite oil.
Our leverage nation now there. I go and check in and see where I go on. So until we get a bite from the swim around them, we check in back on them. So watch where I go on.
Alright peeps, you know say if you're a real fisherman, you have to have equipment them. The hook, your leader them, the sinker them, everything, is it? Alright. Yo. That's how I like it.
Hold
The more knife you.
Bite, dog. Hold on.
Nice, nice. A bluefish?
Brother, I pull me up in early night, attack it from way down.
That's
First one of the day. Which one? What kind of fish this?
Run
What you call it?
There's a jack.
That's jack one.
The jack?
Nice size jack.
What kind
The
of
jack.
jack?
Amberjack, a baby amberjack.
Baby amberjack. Broke the duck. It's too small?
Very small.
When they say too small?
Yeah.
Ah.
when the fish they come
General leverage nation. The first one we catch, but I guess the rules are
When they come for big,
it's too small. You throw it to already?
yeah, it can be as big as you when they come for big. But you know what I do? The same thing I tell you about at the bait shop when I jig up. That me doing on the same fish I tell you about amberjack. One of them that but a baby one.
Ah.
So straight off of the floor, drop it on the floor first and then start go fast up. And as the bait reach the top of the water, him slam it. Like me already see him come up and take it, you know. Right off of the top of the water.
Ah. So first catch, but we have to return him back. You see it? Yeah, so we have.
So let me show them. So basically what we do is you drop the bait in the water and make it go right to the bottom. Once you touch the bottom now, because them live in the reef, them always up on the sea floor, so you drag up and you reel, you drag up and you reel. And the speed, when them see the bait and move by, them will attack it with even heavier speed and just grab your bait and run. And that him just do.
What are you trying to catch, Clay?
Mangrove snapper or yellow tail or a rainbow runner. Hey, me just get a bite. Okay, nice bite.
False alarm.
Hopes and dreams, my boy. Hopes and dreams.
What you doing right here?
Hey,
What is 3 ounce?
Yeah.
3 ounce. Wait. I gotta fling him out now. Go to work now. Go to work.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Make you sit now, you see me?
Grunt. Keep a grunt.
Yeah. Yeah. What this look like? Make a pose.
Look how it hook him through him eye.
Well, I know. Leverage Nation, see it there? Catch it. That is it.
See him.
What this one be?
Grunt it be.
Grunt?
Yeah.
So it pass?
Yeah, you can keep.
You can? What's he got through? Man, he got through like a part of it.
Maybe, you know.
He can't go through it. What's it? So yes, sir.
Yeah, we can keep. I
How
grunt
much
it be.
likes to that for that one there?
1,000 likes to that one there. Yeah.
That's a leverage. That is it, Leverage Nation. That is it. First one, although official, well second, but you know anything go, put back one, but yeah man, fishing is great. Right now this I go viral.
Yeah.
Yes sir.
So there now. I want whole school down there. See if we can hook up the shrimp and get some.
That is the Leverage Nation. So we are checking and we are catching another one. You see it? That's a leverage. See it yeah? Oh dear. Oh that big. First one to catch a rock stone.
Don't use it. Use your hand. How the man hook that dog? Yeah.
Jump him deep.
See him, reel him up. See him there. Yes, Dominic, what you say? One more, what is again?
Grunt.
One more grunt.
I want type of grunt team, man.
Take him
type
off
of
now.
grunt team be for truth. Show them over here, sir. I want type of grunt team.
Man, and drop through your hole, you know.
Can't drop through your hole, man. No, you can't drop. I want type of grunt team, man. It's a name for them to call them.
Mira, tócalo.
No.
Sí, aquí la colita. ¿No?
Mira, sí, no soy para eso.
Mírenlo, mírenlo.
Cualquier cosa te voy a mandar el video para que lo veas.
Yeah, leverage nation, see there. Work, we are work on a chicken we are jerk. You see? Throw back one, man.
Illegal, no? No, them like fish the any size, they can be. That's bigger, man. What? We're gonna that's like a moonfish.
Boy,
A flatfish. Yeah.
boy. All that wanna be. All that wanna be. You flatty. How you do that one, Claire?
As soon as you let me lie.
Are you that? Are you that?
Yeah, man, right now.
Mira, no, mira.
I don't even know if that one a flatty. How this? A flatfish.
You have a boss out, you will have to get out of course.
Yeah, that Maryland. Yo, you swallow the blows and scream. Yo, the gloves. You know, cut up behind me.
The gloves in the biggest, the back part. Not that, brother. The last one, not that. They want that down there. Yeah. Where's the ball? Where's the thing? Yeah, the beard float up. And the weak, yeah, exactly.
You can't come on.
Swallowing.
Yo, good. What do you want to call?
Can't remember. Look like a turbid cousin.
How you do that one, Clay? How you do that one?
Go keep.
Put him in a fish tank.
Kill everything I come out. We players the dam.
All in our belly.
See them.
Right, that's all keep him and do something with him.
Doing it wrong.
Yeah, I'm going to find something to do with him.
Who that dude?
Find chip out the fish are trimmed out there.
Clear for them.
Yo, I go I wish you could have there, man. Where is it? Eh? When? Now if you go pick me up and then I'll pass, you know.
Tell the people them why you make the line. Clear. Tell the people them why you
Someone on the camera up on my face, but how they man that I want to come from you?
why you make the line? How go on?
Because you burst.
Because you break. You see me? I don't know, man. Throw it out to get stuck.
Yeah, man, I reach.
I'm going to break it off.
Yeah, man, I reach, man. I ship in, you know.
Yeah.
Inside.
That's the players.
It's a like and subscribe, man.
Yo, where players there?
Players.
Dominic.
They
Yo.
bucket there, big bucket.
Be it there.
Dominic.
Outside, you know.
I wonder how far if I come out to take one. Regardless.
That ask a whooper?
If they want to, they will just come
Yeah man, Leverage Nation we out here, you know. Still, you see it a dust down right now, but you know out there so I catch a few, you know, so we enjoy yourself, yo. Remember for always like, comment, share and subscribe. You know the Leverage.
No, me lucky guy there go over there, man, the line. You know, Trey straight, man.
It's a puffer fish. Oh! That worked out. Get back your hook. One puffer. Yeah, Leverage Nation, I don't know, say the dark up now, so but there I go and do it still, you know, to come to an end still, so hope you enjoy the video just like how we catch a couple fish, and you know, we are sure the ending product still, but yeah man, we're out here, right? Leverage, where's Eclips? The Leverage is not sound confident. Hook up on something. Yeah, we're there, man. What that I catch? Stone?
Yeah.
Out here, we catch everything down to stone. Yes, sir.
Leverage.
Yeah, man, that's a Leverage. Got something? Oh yeah, hook.
I felt that line go by me and I go, I know he's around here somewhere.
Look at that. Come here now. Nothing.
Nothing. No. Brother.
We are what you want. Hey. Remember say you're a captain, you know. The captain is here. Good thing, sir. Catch everything already, you see, so it's a good look. Take come back there.
Over this. Video. Put it on the vlog and highlight of the day. You there?
No, man.
Put it on the man. Okay.
Yo, igualito.
Yeah, show a lead. Hold him up.
What that?
Okay, me.
Why not like that?
Catfish.
No. Can I catfish, man?
What they call it?
No? Ain't got no mate. You see that? Can move, you move one toe tight up in there.
Where you want to do? No, the people them things.
Where is this going?
Yeah. So they will like open that. Next time I put the whole line out.
Call me from when they told me that I'm busy as far road. So I just say, boy, you look like, you know.
Where's the hooking back?
Let's show you where you're
How the fuck is that? A fat piece of greenie that? How you pick up a greenie with a hook?
You want to swallow it? See the hook like a straight from goldfish. Fire for that.
You want to get you
Just like that. Just like that. Fling him out there. Just like that.
Fling him back out.
Just like that. Jesus Christ.
Let's see if you
man.
I'm surprised I went hook up on you.
Yes, boy, got some good money, man. Go over look at the area before it gets
I see fish going way over.
So yeah, Leverage Nation at night now we're out here. We are pack up, we catch about a couple of them. You see it, so that was a great adventure. I don't know we're in a beach on the pier. I don't know where I use the light. So always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. You know the leverage.